Video.
Recorded.
Yep.
Yeah.
What?
I can't really check it out if I'm on the other end of it.
There you go. That's too close. Jeez. Hey. You're a dork head. Maybe if I push in? Yeah, I don't know. There's some way to do it. Well, I don't know. Don't zoom in your nose. Why?
It's just not generally a flattering shot.
Nose, eye. Okay. Hair. It's very wavy. Here, alright, let's stop it. So we can mess with the mode. Hey! Give me! It's my arm! Frickin' A. Okay.